We got our chairs in hand and we are headed down. Our neighbors to the farm here is theme park Silver Dollar City. And I think it's about 2 weeks. Oh, look at all the pretty lights of the playground. For about 2 weeks in the summer, they stay open late, and every night they do nightly fireworks. So our little grandson has asked us to come and watch them with him. All the sounds of summer. Here's our little invitation. What are we gonna do? We're gonna watch the fireworks? It's pretty. Wow, look. See it? Hey! We're headed back up to the farm. The train is still going. So pretty. I've been fighting the 100-degree weather with these flowers, but they're doing so much better. Yay! These ferns have been my favorites. And my favorite pot we brought back from Mexico. These ferns are so easy to grow. Totally recommend. And they grow all the way into about December and stay full like that. Don't need a lot of water. And they are beautiful. Have some more on the porch. Well, buenos noches a todos. Good night, everyone.